Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you secret ingredient that you can use to make your banga stew. Stay tuned. To make this banga stew, we need our palm fruits. Go on the side. You smash the palm fruits and set it aside. I'm not sure. Just boil it and pound it, or use your food processor to get it. And I'll be using chicken for this recipe. I'll be using chicken. I use any protein of your choice, but I use my leftover chicken I have in my freezer, and also I'll be using mackerel fish. Yes, I'll be using for that. Give it another. It's part of the secret ingredient that take your banga stew to the next level. And also I'll be using scent leaf. Scent leaf is #1 leaf you need for this banga stew. And also I added pumpkin leaf, that is ugu leaf, to this. Yes, it's optional, but the scent leaf is compulsory. That what makes it that banga stew. That what gives it that flavor. Yes, and also I have my pepper, my onions, crayfish, open, and some seasoned cube, which I'll be using. This is one of the vital things you need for this banga stew. And also I use stockfish. Yes, stockfish is also another top ingredient you really need for this banga stew. In a clean pot, you wash your meat and set on fire. Use hot water to wash your stockfish. I love using hot water so you can move all the dirt inside, so you'll not be seeing any kind of worm or any kind of dirty. Wash it and add it to your meat, so they will cook along, because it's kind of hard, so it will soften along with your meat. Add it, season it with your onion and your salt. Add in your seasoning cube. And also ensure that you add the quantity you need, because some it is not necessary. Add in your water to cook, because this stew, add your water and cover and cook for like 30 minutes. For my fish, I use my air fryer to fry my my fish, because it will give it another nice and juicy taste when your fish is well seasoned and well fried. So I use my air fryer to do this smoking, and to air fry it. This cut down the oil and other time, while the other meat and stockfish are cooking. This was fried on. Inside a bowl, add in the palm fruit that you have already smashed. I use hot water to separate the chaff, the palm fruit, to extract the juice, because it's frozen already. So I use hot water to extract it, and this is the outcome of the extraction I did. Then inside my pot, I'm adding the palm fruit juice that I extract. The meat is almost like half done, so I'll add in my palm fruit juice that I extract. Adding this stew is very easy to make. It does not require any professional before you know how to make this banga stew. It's very tasteful. It's something that you just have to try. At this point, after like 10 minutes, I check back. It has boiled enough, so I'll be adding my crayfish. This crayfish is like a must on this stew. The crayfish gives a very nice taste. I smash my pepper and the obe. I add in those seasoning and add in more seasoning cube. At this point, all over the house is the aroma there is yes, the air fryer. You can see how juicy and crispy it has already fried. So I'll be adding in my smoked fish at this point, because already the stew is almost done. I'll add in the smoked fish and cover it to cook for like 5 minutes. And I'll add in my scent leaf. This scent leaf, at this point you can't even stand the aroma. You like where is the rice for you to start eating. The aroma is all over the kitchen, all over the house. Then I add in the next thing I'm adding is my pumpkin leaf, because that is the last leaf you be adding. Just boil for like 15 minutes, and that is, or you don't need to cook it for a long time, just 2 minutes is okay. And your stew, your banga stew, the authentic banga stew is ready. What will you prepare your own with? Because this stew, as you're seeing it now, oh my god, you need to try this. It's so tasteful, very delicious, and you want to eat more. That's one thing with this stew. It will make you to be you want to eat more than what your stomach can even take, because it's very tasteful and delicious. And one thing with it is you can use anything inside your kitchen to make it, but scent leaf obey like a must. This how beautiful this is, guys. This banga stew is very, very delicious, very, very nice. It's one of the eastern part of stew. It was we enjoy so much because it's handy. It's always handy. You can pair with your rice and beans, with your yam, with your plantain, with your sweet potato, anything at all. You can pair, you can eat it with it, and it's very, very delicious and very nutritious because of the leaf and what it contains. And this the outcome of the banga stew. Please let me know if you'll be trying it. Please, thank you. See you on my next video.